Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Let's get started with a beautiful picture. You can share your drawings on my Instagram handle. It is #arcadoodler. I'm waiting for your drawings and will be happy to see your work. First, draw the rainbow by using various colors. Then, fill the remaining area with blue color. This is very simple painting so that anyone can draw this. I'm drawing branches of a tree by using black gel pen. By using dotting tool, I'm drawing the snow. Once it is done, remove the masking tape. If you like this painting, don't forget to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Bye bye.